Imagine having hundreds of the world's best golf courses right in your backyard. Introducing the Swing 360. You can see right here, it's an extremely narrow path to get to the back, and yet we fit a 360 square foot unit in this backyard. And this is not just a box, right? This is a unit that's literally spans 15 feet tall. They walked all the way through here. You can see it's a very narrow walkway and brought it in here, panel by panel. It's a unit that was inspired by a customer. They found a golf simulator provider, but they didn't have the space, and they found us, and we designed the unit specifically for their backyard. The design was very well thought out to accommodate the golf simulator. The peak at the roof over here is almost 15 feet tall. There is beautiful sliding doors. They're all double pane with argon gas. They are thermally broken. If you wanted to practice every day and you didn't have one of these in your backyard or in your home, you would have to drive all the way to the golf course, check in, wait in line, take your bags, unload them. Our customers are really high-profile executives. They don't have the time to go to the golf course every day, but they definitely have time to take a few steps to the backyard with a little scotch, swing some clubs. Everyone has time for that, right?